Hello children, welcome back to everybody. This is Jayanta sir of St. Vincent Convent Senior Secondary School, Baleshwar. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of standard 8 and the chapter name is percentage, percent and percentage. It is chapter number 7, page 77. So children, what do you mean by percent or percentage? Now it means that per 100, that is out of 100. For example is that Om got 95 marks in mathematics out of 100 marks. If it is asked that what is the percentage mark of Om in mathematics? Now Om has got 95% marks. Here percentage, that percent can be denoted the symbol, this percentage symbol, and 95% means whenever we are telling that 95%, it means that 95 out of 100, and in fraction can be written as that 95 by 100. It can be written like this way, 95 by 100. So children, this 95 by 100, it is a fraction. When we are going to convert it into a percentage, what we are going to do? We are multiplying by 100. So children, few things now you have to remember that to convert into a percentage, to convert into a fraction, to convert a fraction into a percentage, what we are going to do? Now multiply the given fraction by 100 and write the symbol, that is percentage symbol, after the product. Example it is taken, look at here. Suppose 3 by 25, it is a fraction, and to convert into a percentage we are multiplying that 100 with this given fraction and putting that symbol, that percentage symbol. So we can cut now that 25 1 are 25, 25 1 are 25, and 25 4 are 100, then 4 3 are, this is 12% we got. Now the same way, if it is given, the decimal is given, how can we convert the decimal into a percentage? So to convert a decimal into a percentage, shift the decimal point by 2 places to the right and symbol percentage after the result. Look at here that example I have taken, that example 0.026. This 0.026 multiplying into that 100 by 100, because we are going to convert into a percentage, then after that putting that percentage symbol. So as I have told that just wherever that a decimal point is there, we will be shifting towards the right side, that is 2 places. Here we will count that it is 1 2, then after 2 we will put that decimal place. So look at here that answer, the answer is coming that 2.6, then percentage symbol also given. So children, before going through this chapter, few things also you have to remember, that formula. What is increase percentage formula? Now increase percentage equal to increase in value whole divided by original value into 100, then put that percentage symbol. Like that, decrease percentage equal to decrease in value whole divided by original value into 100, then percentage symbol you put. Children, now see that example 1 in your book, page number 77. What question it is given? find 36 is what percent of 144? It means that what is the percent 36 out of 144, and if we are going to write in a fraction, we can write that it is 36 divided by out of 144, means we can write that divided by 144, and going to convert into this fraction into percentage, that is multiplied by that 100, then give that percentage sign. So it is 4 3 ja 12, 4 6 ja 24, 4 2 ja 8, then 2 0 4 5 ja 25. Now got 36 1 ja 36, 36 1 ja 36. So we got that a required percentage equal to, we got that 25%. Another example, 32% of a certain number. We can also say that 32% of a certain number is 80 also can be said also. So how can we solve now? Let the required number be x. So we can write now that, see the question, 32% of a number means we can write also according to question 32% of x of a number is 80, that means equal to 80. So imply that 32x equal to this 100, cross multiplication 80 into 100 implies that x equal to 80 into 100. This 32 multiplying side changing means divided by 32, implies that x equal to 250. How it is cut? Look at here that children, it can be done like this way. 32% of x means it is 32% of x means 32 by 100 into x equal to 80, implies that 32x equal to 80 into 100, implies that x equal to 80 into 100 whole divided by 32. We can cut now that 8 4 ja 32, 8 1 ja 8, 0. Now 4 1 ja 4, this is 25. So 25 into 10 equal to, it is coming there 250. Next children, you come that example 2, page number 78. See the question what it is given. A man spends 65% of his salary and saves 525 per month. Find his monthly salary. Children, you open your book, then see that what I am telling. A man spends 65% of his salary. Salary, how much it is not given, but he spends that 65% of his salary and saves 525 rupees per month. Find his monthly salary. So we can write now that let the monthly salary of a man be, let the monthly salary of a man be X. He spends, how much it is? 65% he spends. He spends equal to 65% of his salary, that means 65% of X we can write, and equal to, we can write now that 65% means divided by 100, 1 by 100 means divided by 100 into X we can write, and we can cut also. It is 5 2 ja 10, 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15 equal to he spends, that is rupees 13x divided by 20 he spends, and the remaining amount what he does, now he saves. So he saves equal to total monthly salary is x and spending, that is 13x by 20, equal to, we can write also, that is LCM is coming, that 20 into x, it is 20x minus 13x, equal to, it is rupees 7x by 20. This much we got that he saves according to the x method. But what is given in your book, that question, he saves how much rupees he saves? No, he saves 525 he saves. So according to question we can write ATQ, according to question, 7x by 20 equal to 525 rupees he saves, implies that we can write now that 7x equal to 525 into 20, implies that x equal to 525 into 20 whole divided by 7. We can do also, it is 7 1 ja 7, then 7 7 ja 49, 3 5 7 5 ja 35. So implies that x equal to 75 into 20, it is 1500. X we had taken that monthly salary, therefore we can write that here his monthly salary equal to rupees 1500. Children, next question you come that here example 5 you see, the cost of a machine, look at there, that example 5 page number 80, the cost of a machine depreciate every year by 10% of the beginning of the year. If the present cost to present cost of the machine equal to rupees 1500 and depreciate in every year. So depreciate in 1 year, that is depreciate means it is reduced in 1 year equal to 10%. So cost of the machine will be how much it is, cost of machine after 1 year equal to depreciating, I have told you that 10%, and formula it is given also, that how can you present cost into, that means present cost it is one, how much rupees it is present cost it is given, the present cost is that 10,000 rupees, sorry, here it is given that present cost is that 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. So cost of a machine after 1 year it will be 10,000 present cost, we can write now that present cost into 1 minus x by 100, x means that is percentage. We can write now that 10,000 rupees into 1 minus 10 by 100, that is rupees, equal to, we can write now that 10,000 into, we can write now that it is, if it is 100 minus 10 equal to 90 by 100 can be written this much rupees. Now it is this 20, this 20 cancelled, equal to coming now that 9, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros are here, that is 1, 2, 3 zeros are here, that is 9,000 rupees. Cost of the machine after 1 year. But it is not finished, it is bit I, it is given. Bit 2I it is given that after 2 years, that means cost of the machine after 2 years, how much it will be? We can write now that cost of machine after 2 years equal to present cost into, like that we can write also, present cost into 1 minus 10 by 100 into, again it is, that is 10%, that is 10%, again it is depreciating, that is every year 10%, that is, that's why 1 minus 10 by 100 it is equal to present cost, it is how much, it is 10,000 rupees into 1 minus 10 by 100 directly can be written as that, it is can be written directly that into 90 by 100 into 90 by 100, this is what it is rupees, this 20, this 20 cancel, this 20, this 20 cancel, equal to rupees 9 9 ja 81, then 2 zeros you put, that is cost of the machine after 2 years. You can write that, therefore the cost of the machine after 2 years it will be rupees 8,001. What it is given, the number 12,000 is first increased by 15% and then decreased by 20%. Find the resulting number. First increased by 15%, again that further it is increased by 25%. First increase 15, again it is increased that 20. Example 8 it is, the resulting number equal to, we can do that, I am writing down only here, original number writing down equal to original number, formula look at here, that original number into 1 plus, first it is increased by 15%, means 15 by 100, then into again 25% increased, 1 plus 25 by 100. So we can write now that original number it is, how much it is, 12,000 rupees into 1 plus 15 by 100 can be written that 115 by 100 into 125 by 100. Now we can reduce that, 2 zeros are here, 2 zeros are here, it is 1 0 1 0 cancel, it is 5 2 are 10, 5 2 are 10, 2 5 5 5 are 25, then 2 1 are 2 2 6 are 12, and whenever we are multiplying that 6 into 115 into 25, we are getting that 17,250 rupees. Not 50 rupees, that is not, that is the only number given. What is the number? That is 17,000. You see 11. This question number 11, it is given that it is question number an election between two candidates. One candidate secured 58% of the votes polled and won the election by 18,336 votes. Find the total number of votes polled and the votes secured by each candidate. So in this case, what you will do that, let the total number of votes polled be, let the total number of votes polled be X. One candidate secured equal to one candidate secured equal to 58% of X. We can write this one that 58x by 100. Then other candidate total votes polled equal to, that is X. One candidate secured that 58% of means 58x by 100. So other candidate secured equal to, we can do the total number of votes polled equal to X minus 58x by 100 equal to LCM is coming that 100. This is 100x minus 58x can do equal to, we got that 42x by 100. 42x by 100. But question is given that, look at the question, what it is given. It is question is given that won the election by 18,336. So according to question we can write ATQ, according to question we can write 58x by 100 minus 42x by 100 equal to 18,336 according to the question, implies that LCM is that 100. So we can write now that 58x minus 42x equal to 18,336, implies that we can do that 58 minus 42 equal to 16x. 16x by 100 equal to 18,336, implies that directly I am doing x equal to 18,336 into 100 whole divided by 16. We can cut now that 16 1 the 16, 16 1 the 16, then 16 1 the 16, 16 4 the 64, then 16 6 the. So imply that x equal to, it is coming that 1146, 1146, that is 20 it will be there. That means one candidate secured 58%. So one, that is total number of votes polled. One candidate secured equal to 58 by 100 into total number of votes polled equal to 114600, that is 2020 cancelled, multiply it, it is coming that equal to how much coming it is, multiply it is, now it will be coming that after multiplying you will get that 66,468. So other candidate secured votes equal to total it is 1,14,600 minus one candidate got that 66,468 equal to 48,132. This is the answer. Children, okay, so you will try to do that exercise 7.